two leading platforms, one burning question: which one actually fuels your business growth? On one side, we have Clickfunnels, the specialist in sales funnels and conversion. On the other, Hubspot, the all-in-one marketing powerhouse. Forget the flashy features and bold claims, let's look at what really matters. We'll score each platform in key categories so you can decide which truly dominates. Because the winner of this showdown, it could surprise you. Before we get too deep, let's map out what we're actually comparing. We've got price, features, usability, integrations, who they're best for, deployment options, and support. So yeah, a lot to cover, but don't worry, we'll keep it super real the whole time. Okay, let's talk money first, shall we? ClickFunnels is much easier on your wallet if you're a small business or just getting started. We're talking about around $80 a month, not too bad, and you get a 14-day free trial to mess around with everything. Now, Hubspot, on the other hand, it comes with, let's say, a more corporate price tag. That entry point, $800 a month. Yeah, you heard that right. It's really designed for bigger businesses that need the whole suite. They also give you a free trial, but honestly, for small teams, that price might sting. So when it comes down to price, ClickFunnels definitely takes the win here. Alright, moving on to features. ClickFunnels totally nails funnel building with its drag-and-drop editor, ready-made templates, and the A/B testing is actually kinda addictive once you get into it. But here's the thing, it feels a little limited if you want heavy-duty CRM or advanced automation. Hubspot, though, is like a Swiss Army knife for all things marketing and CRM. You've got blogging, email, landing pages, advanced analytics, automation out the wazoo, you name it. For new users, all those options can feel a bit much, but if you want everything in one dashboard, it's honestly impressive. So no surprise here, Hubspot is the clear winner on features. On usability, ClickFunnels is honestly just easy. The drag-and-drop builder is as close to plug-and-play as it gets. If you've got a sales page and you just want to get it live today, you'll feel right at home. It's really focused, though, it's not trying to do everything. Hubspot, meanwhile, is like, here's everything, learn it all. Their dashboard is powerful, but there's a definite learning curve, especially if you go all in. They do have a ton of help articles and support resources, but yeah, be ready to spend some time learning. So for this one, ClickFunnels takes it, simple wins. Oh, and here's something cool that most people don't know, a lot of businesses actually use both ClickFunnels and Hubspot together. Yup, funnels for leads, Hubspot for managing them. So they're not always rivals, they can be teammates. Now, for integrations, ClickFunnels covers the basics. Payment gateways, a nifty Zapier integration so you can hook it into other tools, that's all good. But if you need something beyond a typical funnel or deep CRM magic, it's kinda limited. Now Hubspot, this is their playground. They connect with just about everything: ad platforms, emails, a massive third-party app ecosystem. Some of those integrations do require a higher plan, which sigh more money, but honestly it's a powerhouse here. So Hubspot's the champ for integrations. So who are these actually best for? ClickFunnels is pretty much optimized for selling products or capturing leads online, especially in the B2C world. It's focused, if you only need funnels, it's perfect. But it's not meant to handle all your customer relationships or sales cycles. Hubspot, on the other hand, this is a full-blown command center for marketing, sales, CRM, complex B2B stuff. It can do way more, but it might be a bit much if you only care about running funnels. So it's a tie here, it really depends what you need. Deployment and devices. ClickFunnels is cloud-based and web-only, easy to access, but don't expect a fancy mobile or desktop app. With Hubspot, you get both cloud and on-premise options, and it runs on pretty much everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, you name it. It's more flexible, but that also means you might need a bit more setup or resources, especially for the advanced features. But yeah, Hubspot wins for deployment options. And support, ClickFunnels gives you 24/7 help through email, phone, chat, the basics. What you don't get is a huge user community or forums, so you might feel a bit lonely if you want to swap tips. Hubspot, meanwhile, goes all in, 24/7 help plus an insanely detailed knowledge base and a giant community forum. The best support is technically reserved for those higher-priced plans, which, again, ouch, but overall, Hubspot takes this round. Alright, so quick visual check-in. If you look at the overall scores, you'll see where each shines. ClickFunnels just crushes it on simplicity and price. Hubspot kinda runs away with features and integrations. You can really see the split when you put their strengths side by side. So, final thoughts? If you just want to launch funnels fast, keep it simple, and not destroy your budget, ClickFunnels is your friend. But if you want the all-in-one platform with serious marketing and CRM power and your business is ready for it, HubSpot is gonna be your favorite tool. Honestly, a lot of teams end up combining both for the best of both worlds. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.